Hello. Actually, in this video, I am going to record the get method and one more feature about the HTTP request, and that is the HTTP request default. So first, we will start the get request. So basically, what is the get request? So get request is nothing but it is getting the information from the server. So in that, we are not giving any a value in by providing the parameters like fields and all. Just it is a simple we are adding the path and the server name. It will be fetch the information from the server. So now we are going to Postman with that API. This is the API, and now uh, we will copy this API and now create another request with the sampler, and that is the HTTP request. So we are just giving the path over here. This is our path where we have to get the information, and we have already created the server IP in previous request, so we are just copy paste over here. So now this is already selected the get method, right? So we are just moving upon the little bit, so result will be saving that. Now I am going to remove this. Now create another sampler, that creating another listeners. Already we have the summary report, and we are adding the view result in tree. So now just a simple, we are going to the get request. We are rename it is get request. So, and here is the post request with the login, which is already we have created in previous video. Now remove this one, adding another listener with summary report. So now we have two requests, and we have created two summary report. One is summary report, another is view resultant. So now I am saving this one, and now if we are run this one, you can see the get request what is found. You can see get request. Okay, we are missing here v7 and the backslash above the v7. So your path is wrong, that's why it is showing the error. And your result you can see here, not found. If it is found, it is correct, then it will show the okay, but our request is fail over here, so it is showing like this. So now we are save it again, clear, or this is the clear button. So now you have to clear all and save that previous you have made changes and run this one. You can see now get request is successfully, right? And you can see in the response data with the uh, fetching by the from the server, the record is from this one, and this is our previously record. This is the login successful, and this one. So here you can also see the if any error message is thrown in a summary report, then the your it is server is not handle the load, but initially we have only the one user, so it is run successfully. Now I am going to one more concept, that is our HTTP request. So for that, uh, in each and every request we have to give the server name, right, in server IP address. So instead of doing that for each and individual, we have one functionality in our JMeter, that is the configuration. Going to configuration and HTTP request default. So what it will be do, it will be do like we have to give the server name once only, and it will be run each and every request we have to. Suppose you have 100 of APIs, then what you will do in that case? So in that case, no need to give each and every request the server name. You will be, it will be easier to create the HTTP request default, and it will be run in each and every request. So we are just removing from each and every request we have created previously, and now moving to up. Okay, so you can see now I have removed the server name and IP address from this, and I have given only in the HTTP request default. So when you have more and more the API, so you can use this one, and by giving only one time the server name, so no need to give separately each and every request, just you need to give the path only in that request. So now you can see this I am saved over here. I have already removed the server and IP address. I am just clearing the previous result. You can see now I am run it again. You can see it will be run successfully. You can see, you can see same result is showing over here. But basically this HTTP request is used for the avoid to repetition again and again, and it will be save our time if when there is a more and APIs or the like more pages, so you no need to give it again. So this is the basic functionality of HTTP request default, so it can be save your time. Thank you guys.